Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an online course with GoToWebinar step by step clearly. Start by logging into your GoToWebinar account. Navigate to the Webinars tab on your dashboard. Click on the Schedule a Webinar button. Fill in the details for your course, including the title, description, date, and time. Choose your audience settings to define who can attend. Select the webinar type, either one-time or recurring series. Decide whether to enable registration options for your attendees. Set up any necessary reminders to be sent to your registrants. Configure the webinar settings, including audio options and attendee limits. After completing the setup, click on the Save button. Promote your webinar by sharing the registration link through email or social media. Prepare your course materials, including slides, documents, or any other resources. Rehearse your presentation to ensure smooth delivery during the live session. On the webinar day, log into your GoToWebinar account at least 30 minutes before the start time. Start by launching the webinar from your dashboard. This will allow you to manage attendees and check all technical aspects. As participants log in, greet them and briefly introduce yourself. Begin your presentation while engaging with the audience through polls and Q&A. Wrap up your session by summarizing key points and encouraging questions. After the session, analyze the webinar reports for insights about attendance and engagement. Use feedback received to improve future courses and webinars. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.